Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium frame might not save you any weight. As we already know, aluminum of the armor variety, or otherwise, is the most common metal used to wrap the sides of premium smartphones. One notable exception is the stainless steel that Apple has used for the sides of its Pro iPhone models for the past several years, and more durable, but much heavier metal. But this year's smartphone launch cycle could end up being the year of titanium, since the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are tipped to get titanium frames, as well as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With the two largest players in the smartphone world expected to be adopting this material, other companies looking to increase the quality of their handsets may also try adding titanium too. Samsung Galaxy S series is one of the biggest launches of each year, dating back to 2010. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was unveiled early this year, bringing many minor but necessary improvements over the S22 Ultra. With this iteration, Samsung fixed the heating and battery life complaints and improved the cameras despite keeping similar hardware. Now that the S23 Ultra is over 6 months old, we have started getting key information from leaksters on the company's next iteration. With both Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra both expected to adopt a new titanium frame, some had hoped that we would see the handsets shed some pounds compared to the models that they will replace in their respective lineups. But in the case of the latter, that might not be the case at all. We're told to expect the S24 Ultra to weigh 233 grams. If that sounds like a lot, it's because it is. The current Samsung flagship weighs in at 234 grams, so while next year's model is set to get lighter, it's highly likely anyone is ever going to notice the savings. This is all according to information shared by the prolific leaker Ice Universe, at least. According to Tipster, a Galaxy S23 Ultra will use a titanium alloy middle frame, but still be surprisingly hefty. That 233-gram figure isn't the end of the world, of course, but it will no doubt be disappointing to those who had hoped that the biggest phone of Samsung's flagship lineup would be significantly lighter thanks to the use of titanium. It's worth remembering at this point that the S23 Ultra used aluminum for its frame, a material that is already lighter than the stainless steel you'll find wrapped around Apple's high-end models. And it's possible that any weight savings made here are being eaten up by the addition of heavier components elsewhere. Meanwhile, the same leaker adds that Samsung will integrate a new zoom button within its default camera app in time for the Galaxy S24 Ultra's release. Allegedly, Samsung will add a 5x zoom option, with 2x, 3x, and 10x currently offered for the S23 Ultra. Its successor is not rumored to feature a corresponding 5x telephoto lens though. Conversely, the S24 Ultra will utilize in-sensor zoom, likely of its rumored 50 megapixels and 3x telephoto camera. We might have to wait a little while before we get confirmation of what's going on here though. Samsung isn't likely to announce its new models until January or February. But that being said, and with the Samsung leaks as they are, it's possible everything will become clear much sooner than expected. So what are your thoughts on an average weight of smartphones should be? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And for more Galaxy updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.